Okay, so welcome back to the second video of this tutorial. Now, as I said, in this video we will be talking about dynamic memory allocation. Dynamic memory allocation basically refers to allocating the memory to any variable at runtime, which means that when our code is actually being executed, when our program is running, at that time also it is possible that we make a new variable, because if we use a normal variable like int a, what happens is that the memory is allocated during the compile time itself, right? Now for dynamic memory allocation, again we need pointers. So we'll make a pointer variable a, and we need another header file called the malloc.h, which stands for memory allocation.h. We use two functions here. The first one is malloc and the second function which we use is free function. So let's go ahead and use these functions now. So we basically say int star a is equal to malloc and size of int, right? So this is what we do for using the malloc function. The pointer variable or the pointer here is basically used to reserve a memory address, and the memory is then allocated at runtime. So this is the syntax of the malloc function. Again, free a will basically deallocate the memory when we are done with the variables usage in the program, right? So int star a is equal to malloc size of int, or you can even give a here, does not matter because a is an integer variable. So either of the two works just fine. So this statement reserves or allocates the memory of a when our program is actually running. So if we are making a program wherein we want to make a new variable depending on the user's choice, so we are not sure as to whether we should reserve the memory at the beginning itself or not, right? So in such cases, this dynamic memory allocation concept comes in handy. Again, if you go ahead and try to display the values of a and the address of a, everything will be normal. The only difference is that it will be allocated during the runtime itself, right? So that is all about dynamic memory allocation that you guys need to know. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.